This is Makita Cordless working light. I've been using this light for I don't know how many years, but it's always there, always in my tool bag, and I carry it every day. It uses 18-volt battery. You can use bigger batteries like this, or use just the small batteries. And let's open it. So it can just open like this, straight. And the light's good thing is that it can turn. It just have different angle. You just stop there, right? And you can turn the other way, just stop right here. And it got a little hook, so you basically can hook it wherever it is convenient. You just put the nail or screw, and then you just hook the light. You see now it got 12 LEDs. So push once, it's full bright. And push second time, it's half of the LED is bright. And third time, turn off. It can just have different stop. You can control the angle like this. So basically, you can put anywhere that you like, and pretty stable. And you just push it. When you are doing this, you're not grabbing this part. You need to grab the end. So if you grab the lights itself, because it can turn, so the connection is not super strong. If you just grab like this, it's easy. Easily can bend it. But I've been using this so many years. I just always grab the end part like here. So I just do it like this. It doesn't have any problems. Another part is handle. It's just like your normal drill or impact driver handle. So when you're grabbing it, it's very comfortable. And this is my daily light. I like it so much. Highly recommend it. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.